Hi, this is Agita Guy from London and Super Justin. Our vlog is about Las Cucharas Beach and eating tres platos. Las Cucharas Beach is in Lanzarote, Spain. It's the largest beach, Costa Teguise, and the most central. This large beach is made of three smaller beaches. It's like a promenade with a large selection of shops and bar. And we ate in Restaurante Bacchus, which served tres platos, which three-course meal, which is entree or primero plato, which is the appetizer, segundo plato, main course, and postre the dessert. And we also ordered sangria, which is the most beloved drink in Spain. So enjoy the vlog! Hi, this is Agita Guy from London. We're in Teguise, Plaza Teguise, and in Cucharas, Plaza de Cucharas. Looking for lunch, almusar. See you. Hello, we're in Agita Guy from London, and here in Playa del Cucharas, Teguise. Justin. We're in Playa de las Cucharas in Teguise. We're looking for lunch. So we'll fry fish or pescando here in beautiful Playa de las Cucharas. So it is delicado, danger. So because of the bicycle, let's see. Welcome to Las Playa. Hi, this is Agita Guy from London. We're having lunch now, so we ordered tres platos. So we have appetizer, main course, and dessert. So I ordered sangria for the drink. It's a pate.
Talagang partner niya. Masarap siya, no? Mas masarap siya kaysa kahapon.
Fresh. Nice fish. With the potato. And this the salt. Nice. This is calamares. Nice, fresh. Sangria. Cheers. Cake and ice cream for the dessert.
Papa niya din.
Nice with
Masarap ang biscuit.
ice cream. Chocolatey. We finish our tres platos, appetizer, main course and dessert, and superb. So for the price of 12 euros or 900 pesos, it's very good. So see you. Hi, it's Agita Guy and just for Justin. We had a superb lunch. The fish was nice. Pescando, muy sabroso. So this is cactus. It's like we're in Mexico, but we're in Lanzarote, Spain. That's the sea. See you.